Hey guys, today we're going to be making a Chipotle rice bowl. Now at Chipotle they have a lot of different varieties. The rice bowl is the one that's the cheapest to make at home. I actually do a vegetarian version, so it is made out of beans. I don't put meat in it, and it'll save you a lot of money, and it's really delicious. So if you want to try it out, stick around and watch the deliciousness unfold. Let's start with our first ingredient, which is rice. This will take the longest. It's going to take about 20 minutes. After that, everything's just quick assemble. What we need to do is grab a pot and get some rice. And now come with me to my pantry and I'm going to show you the mess and also where my rice is stored. Welcome to my pantry. This is where I store my rice. We get it in bulk at the Asian market, and you can get bowls of it for pennies if you get it in bulk. Here it is. So we're gonna grab about a cup and just throw it in. One of the most important things you need to do with rice is rinse it out. It has a lot of gluten in it, and you'll see it's like this milky, cloudy stuff, and you need to rinse it all out multiple times so that it's less sticky and more fluffy. Let's do this. So do you see how it's cloudy? That needs to be rinsed out. That's the trick to good rice and fluffy rice. And just keep going until it runs clear. Okay, it looks like we are for the most part cleared. Once the rice has been completely rinsed out, we need to boil it. Now, a quick and easy way to figure out the measurement of how much water versus rice you need to do is you put your finger in the pot, and if you see the rice goes up to here, you just need to double it to match equal amounts of rice to water. So the water I'm gonna fill up to here. Or you can just go by the instructions on the box, but this is the quick and easy way. And there you have it. So now we need to put the rice on low heat for 20 minutes. If you're going to eat a lot of rice like we do in our household, I eat it a lot with eggs for breakfast. You can also eat it with a lot of curries. You might want to get a rice cooker. You can get them at an Asian market, or I'm guessing online. Ours costs like $10 or $15. It's well worth it. Sorry, everything's worn off, but you just fill it up with that method I use where you just use equal amounts of water and rice, and then you just click on the cook button, walk away, and then it's done. Like I mentioned, we are going to be using black beans as our protein source for this rice bowl. You can add different types of meats that Chipotle does, but even when I go to Chipotle, I just do the black beans. It's enough protein and it's a lot more inexpensive. So we're just gonna open up a can. I know this must be riveting footage for you guys. And it is important to remember to rinse it out. So the way that I do it is empty it all out, and then I just pop it open and just start filling it up with water, and then like shaking it, rinsing it out. And there we go. Now we need to throw it in a bowl so we can add some seasoning. Magic. Now we need to spice up our bean bowl. We're gonna do that with jalapenos, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this extra fancy Fiesta red chili. Here we go. Just add these. Ooh, those do smell spicy. I keep pickled jalapenos in my fridge at all times because you can always add them in everything, including ranch dressing. So just make them small so that people who can't handle spice in their life won't die when they eat this. It is important to have fun while you're cooking. Cooking is fun. So make sure that you're listening to music as loud as you want. Piss off your neighbors and then invite them over for a Chipotle bowl, okay? I don't have music blasting right now because you guys wouldn't be able to hear anything I'm saying. I mean, maybe that is how you guys would like this video to go, but anyways, I'm gonna put some music on so you can see my dance moves. Let's add the little spices now to the bean bowl. So we're gonna do some chili powder and then some minced garlic. Like I said, fresh is best, but sometimes people, they don't have time for that. And then we're gonna add the jalapenos and give it a little mix. Cilantro is also very delicious in this, but I don't have any, so we're just going with what we got. So there we go. Next, we're going to microwave it. Yes, I said that. Microwave. Because, again, we're here for making stuff quick, easy, healthy. In the microwave we go. Put it on for 2 minutes. That was perfect timing because the rice is done too. So what we need to do is turn it off and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. We're going to be adding these vegetables to the rice bowl because this is what I have in my fridge. So a little bit of lettuce, some tomato, lime, and then a red onion to spice it up. And we will also be adding guacamole at the end. Guacamole. What we're going to do is I've already added some of the onions that we've chopped up, and we just need to add a little bit of lime and salsa as well. Oh my god. Take 2. There we go. Gonna mix it up. Some lime. If you want to do a true Chipotle guacamole, you're gonna add a lot of limes to avocado and a little bit of onion. But I'm going to be adding a little bit of salsa because I think it tastes better. But if you want true Chipotle, then just a whole bunch of lime and maybe some cilantro as well. This is what we're going to be working with. Add a little bit of salsa in there to get more flavor. With the guacamole completed, our vegetables chopped, our beans are heated, and our rice is ready to go. All we need to do is assemble. But first, let's take our mental health minute. I want to challenge you for 30 days of journaling. I journal regularly, private, you can't look, but it's important for your mental health to journal on a regular basis. It helps you download information from your brain, from your emotions onto paper, and it improves your mental clarity, and it also helps with anxiety. I struggle with high anxiety, and whenever I am starting to feel regularly panic attacks, I tend to write everything down in a journal and I feel better. So I would like to challenge you to journal 3 times a week for 10 minutes for a month. You can set an alarm on your phone, whatever works with your schedule, and that way you can sit down in a quiet space for 10 minutes and just write. Now you might say, what am I supposed to write? Just write whatever is in your mind at the time. Like literally, even if it's, I'm hungry and want a hot dog right now, you write that out. It'll improve your mental health in the long run. I get immediate relief from writing. Comment below and let me know if you do this challenge and how it goes. I'll see you next time. Now all we need to do is assemble. Let's grab the rice and a spoon. Oh, very beautiful. Turned out delicious. You can eat this hot or cold. I like to eat mine with the rice and the beans warm, and obviously the vegetables cold. Now we're going to get our black beans. Mix it up a little bit and throw it in here. It's very healthy to eat and quick to assemble. So here we have our carbs and our protein, and let's start adding the veggies. I like a lot of lettuce on mine, nice and crunchy. Obviously I'm assembling it to look pretty, but you can kind of just slop it all in there if you want. Then let's add the guac. And I always add a little bit of Greek yogurt to the top. Plain Greek yogurt. I keep it in my fridge and make a lot of different things like ranch or you know, a yogurt smoothie. Believe it or not, it tastes exactly like sour cream. So we're gonna do a little dollop of that on the top. Oh. Center it a little bit. Gotta get that photo at the front. And now, I'm gonna add a little lime. And there you go. A pretty Chipotle bowl. Voila! Here's our completed creation. Let's add a little lime. Mix it up a little bit for the grand taste test. Oh, this is gonna be messy. And, oh. Hold, please. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. Now wipe. I thought you were gonna do it again.